Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a fun project share for you guys. I have been dying to create one of these little Memorydex purses. I did create one, but it's more of a flat version. I don't have it around me, but if you guys watched my previous video, you know what I'm talking about. This one is more of a open up and you can stuff kind of bag, and this was 100% inspired by Adriana. I'm gonna have her link down below. You guys, I love to see her projects and they inspire me so much. They make me want to create and step outside my comfort zone. I love to stitch my projects, but that is very time consuming. And I decided to sit down today. It's a snowy day out and I was off work and I decided to create one for myself. And let me just tell you, it was a lot of work. I was gonna make 3 of them and I only ended up making 1, and I was like, I am done. I'm only gonna make 1 for now because I'm not doing any Valentine's Day swaps as of right now, so I just needed to create 1 just to show you guys. But they're super fun to make. At the end, it's like a beautiful project to have. I used the Pebbles Loves Me collection because I'm obsessed with it right now. I want to show you guys what the cutout looks like, and I want to show you guys what I created. So first, let me show you guys what you get in the cutout. You do get, this is a birthday gift card holder, I think it is. So you get your straps, of course. These are some straps that I had cut out. They have the little holes so you can put the little brads. Hopefully you guys can see that. So you do get those pieces, and then this is your bag. So it should be scored. Once you fold it, this is what your bag should look like. I think this part is the one that you wrap around, but you do have to make your cuts and stuff like that to make it about this size, because this obviously is way too big. Even when you wrap it around, it's a little bit big. You can still work with it, it's just a little bit time consuming. So it's a lot of work if you want to make it look, because you have to kind of like maneuver the cut itself. And excuse me, this is where you put the little Memorydex slot that I ended up putting on mine. You guys can see that. I just like kind of like put it in here. I created on its own, and then I just kind of like wedge it in there. And then this is where you make your bag. You put your little straps right there. But this is what your cut looks like, you guys. These go in as well. So your bag is really technically a little bit bigger than what you might need to create the Memorydex one. So always keep that in mind. I'll have the file, I'm losing my train of thought, the SVG file down below. So definitely check that out, you guys. They're super fun to make, don't get me wrong, but it's just gonna take some time, because even with this one, I kind of made a mistake. This one, if you guys can see, like I did it fine over here. It's not focusing right there. But this side over here, I just feel like, I don't know, I'm not too happy with it. I wanted it to like wrap around on both sides. But maybe on my next one, it'll look better. I did tons of little stitching. I did the stitching all the way around the cut, just like she did on hers. You guys check it out. I'm going to have her Etsy shop down below too. So if you don't want to make one and you just want to purchase one, she is selling hers. Super cute. I put a cute little tassel. I did stitching all the way around the bag. I did this little envelope where I stitched all the way around it. It's like, it's just basically just decorative purposes. You can't open it or anything. And then I put this cute little ephemera piece here, this little fuzzy heart. I put some enamel dots. I used gold brads. And then it just has like some tissue paper if I wanted to put something inside. And that's what it looks like on the opposite side. You guys, these are so cute. You definitely have to try, but just be patient. And you don't have to sew on it. I feel like that adds to kind of like it feeling so tedious, because you're sewing all the way around and trying to make it look super cute. But you don't have to sew it. You could just create it without any stitching, and it probably take you less time. But yeah, you guys, that is my project share for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you gonna try it out? And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.